Today we're going to be doing the caliper covers on a 2013 Scion FRS. What makes this car special, not only that it's the new FRS, but we're doing it for EA Sports, who is releasing a new game, the Need for Speed Most Wanted video game. Let's get started. Okay, with this simple design, anyone can do this. All the fastening system is built into the caliper cover itself. So you're basically going to set it just in place right on top of the caliper bracket. Just slide in your clip, install the nuts, tighten it down to 16 inch-pounds, and you're good to go. We'll be putting this on the rear caliper. Another simple installation, you just simply slide on the clip. I'll put the first arm over the bottom clip, and then a little bit of stretch here on the top. You can see that stretch right there, so just help it along. It's aluminum, it'll take that stretch. Install the 1032 nuts, tighten it down to 16 inch-pounds, and you're good to go.